Suppose we have three functions. F of x is greater than or equal to h of x and less than or equal to g of x. If we take the limit of each function as x approaches some value, say a, if the limit of h of x as x approaches a is L, and limit of g of x as x approaches a is also L, then the squeezed theorem tells us that the limit of f of x as x approaches a is also L. In other words, if the two outer functions squeeze the middle function and both approach the same limit, then the middle function must also approach that same value. This is why it's sometimes called the sandwich theorem, because the middle function is sandwiched between the two others. The term squeeze theorem is more commonly used in the United States, while sandwich theorem is often used in the UK or Europe. Let's look at an example. First, evaluate the outer functions. The limit of 8 minus x cubed as x approaches 0 is 8. This is the limit of this as x approaches 0 is also 8. Since both the lower bound and the upper bound approach 8, the squeeze theorem tells us that this is also 8. The squeeze theorem is a powerful tool that helps us find limit by squeezing a function between two simpler functions that have the same limit.